So MTC have developed a new facility for working on electric vehicle battery packs. It's built in a shipping container with a couple of large robots and a number of different end effectors around it as a sort of Swiss Army knife approach. Because of the hazards associated with electric vehicle batteries like high voltage and fire and explosion risks, the cell's automated. It uses a pair of high payload robots instead of people to perform the operations on the battery pack related to either assembly or disassembly.
Well, we've been using AI models to generate synthetic data of new battery modules, and that allows the vision system to tell the robot where key features and parts of the new battery are.
So to deal with the hazards associated with electric vehicles, we've got a number of different safety features. So we have continuous monitoring by CCTV from the remote workstation. We've got thermal imaging to detect any thermal runaway, and we've got gas sensing to detect any leakages or overpenetration of the cells. Linked to those detection methods, we've got an eject mechanism. So if anything goes wrong in the main container, we can essentially kick the back legs out of the fixture and the whole pack rolls out the back into a containment vessel. The facility is unique in the UK in that it's the only place that you can work on full-size electric vehicle batteries.
And the concept really behind this is to take manufacturing where it's actually required. And in this particular application, think of scrapyard of the future. We want to tear down electric cars safely. How could we do that? We could take a manufacturing servitization model that I could take to a scrapyard and tear down a vehicle battery in situ, on site, and actually when I finish with it, take it away and take it to the next location.
So the type of companies we're looking to work with are people who are manufacturing future transport, battery electric powered transport, who are looking to remanufacture and recycle battery cells, and we can help them develop new innovative processes to tear down those batteries and to then reassemble them.